Hey, how's it going everyone? In this video, we'll do a quick wrap up on everything we have covered in this series. Make sure to stick till the end as I will be talking about what you should focus on next after learning Postman. So we started off with learning the basics of Postman, understanding what it is and why we should use Postman. From there, we moved on to installing Postman and then making our first API call with Postman. There we got understanding of different HTTP methods as well as HTTP status code. And then we created our Trello account and learned how we can use API keys and token to secure our APIs. From there, we started building our collection with Postman and started saving Trello APIs into our collection. Then we started to deep dive into Postman features such as creating variables and understanding the various scopes involved in Postman. Once we completed that, we learned about script and creating tests with Postman. We also learned about how we can make API calls within our script and pass variables from one request to the another. And then we combined all we learned and ran a collection with Postman Collection Runner as well as Newman Runner. We also generated reports using Newman, which gave us a good overview of our collections and the test we created. Finally, we pushed all our changes to GitHub and integrated our test with Travis CI. So there you go, we covered quite a bit in this series, and if you went through all of it, first off, I'm extremely proud of you. I think understanding APIs and creating specific tests related to those APIs will really provide you with solid experience and will really help you in your career. Now what's next? You have learned Postman and API testing with Postman. So the first thing I would recommend is make sure to put all of this into practice. If you watched the video and didn't follow along with me, you definitely should go ahead and implement your APIs with Postman and create tests to get some more experience with it. And if you did follow along with me and you feel comfortable with using Postman, you can look into creating a custom API framework using your favorite programming language. I've covered an entire series on API test automation with JavaScript, which will provide you with all the tools and technologies you need to set up your own custom API test framework. I will add the link for that in the description below for you guys if you'd like to check it out. Since we covered backend now, and if you'd like to learn about the frontend automation, then you can also watch my WebDriver.io JavaScript frontend test automation series. All of this will give you the full stack test automation experience and will be great skills to add it in your resume. As usual, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and if there's any specific topic you want me to cover, either related with Postman or anything else, put that below in the comment section also. If you'd like to support me, you can do that by subscribing to my channel and liking and sharing my videos. And you can also go to automationbro.com and subscribe to my mailing letter to get access to all my blog posts and latest updates. And if you have the financial means, you can also support me via the Buy Me a Coffee website. Thanks for watching this series, and I highly appreciate all the great comments you guys have been providing me in all of my videos. That's it for now guys, I will see you in the next one.